Dear students, in the previous video, we have discussed various DFA problem with some step-by-step procedure. We'll continue the same even in this particular video. We have already covered 4 problems. Now we are entering into the 5th problem. Design a DFA which accepts strings of A's and B's that ends with BAB. We are going to solve the problem only with the procedure. So the minimum requirement is BAB. The alphabet is AB. So whatever the language we show here, all the words ends with the BAB. It's ending with the BAB. Now let us draw the minimum requirement. BAB, 3 alphabets, 4 states. Ready. Q0, B, Q1, A, Q2, okay, BAB, 4 states. Now we have to identify the various required transitions. For Q0, B is available, A I need. For Q1, A is available, B I need. For Q2, B is available, A I need. For Q3, nothing is available, both A and B I need. So this many transitions we are going to calculate. We will follow the same procedure. The minimum diagram is ready. The required transition is ready. And the minimum requirement, it should be end with the BAB. Okay. If it is not ending with the BAB, it is not accepted. But what we have to do, if you modify something, we can make it to accept. What is that? We will discuss. So for Q0, dotted line, A, what happened? Who is before Q0? Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Who is after Q0? BAB. So BAB. After BAB, who is here? Q3. Now, who is the whole string A, BAB? Is it ending with the BAB? Yes, accepted. String ABAB, that is ABAB, accepted because it is ending with the BAB. Now, BAB, next is Q3, available. BAB, before is Q0. So, obviously, this should be Q0. So, this is the answer. And in this place, I am going to get Q0. Next, Q1B dotted line, what happened? Before Q1, B. Before that, it is Q0. After Q1, AB. After AB, who is next? Q3. Now try to tell the whole string. BBAB. Is it ending with the BAB? Yes, sir. Accepted. If it is accepted, this AB is this AB. Who is next? Q3. Who is before Q1? So obviously it should be Q1. So this is the requirement. So in this place it should be Q1. Next, Q2A, what happened? Before Q2, BA. Before that, it should be Q0. After Q2, it is B. After B, it is Q3. Now, let us see the whole string. BA, AB. BA, AB, not accepted. Reason, it should end with the BAB. Immediately, don't decide it is dead state. Reason, can we do something here to make it to accept? What is that make it to accept? It should end with what? BAB. Now it is ending with B. If you put AB here, something like this, next BAB, it will be accepted. Am I right? Sir, how come, sir? Now we are doing this. Reason, this is present. What is the question? Past, future, present, today, yesterday, tomorrow. When I am today, I can't modify yesterday, but I can guess what I can change tomorrow. So I can change here. That is the reason hereafter we will do this modification. BAB. If that is the case, this BAB is this BAB. What is next? Q3. What should be before Q0? So it should be Q0. So this is the total BAA, BAB accepted. So obviously here it should be Q naught. We'll see more detail in the next work. Q3A, what happened? Who is before Q3? BAB. Who is before BAB? Q naught. Who is after Q3? Nothing is there. BA not accepted. Is it possible to put something and make it to accept? Yes. BA, if you put one more B, BAB will be accepted. Am I right? So, can you do such modification here? No, yesterday. Can you do some modification here? Yes, tomorrow. Possible. Okay, that is the logic. So, if I put B here, see BAB, BABA, I need one more B to accept. Okay, right? That's what I tried that. Obviously, this B should be this B. Why? BAB. BAB. Who is next? Q3. Who is it before? Q2. So, what should be the answer? Q2. Done. Last, Q3B, what happened? Before Q3, BAB. Before BAB, Q naught. After Q3, nothing is there. Now, who is the string? BABB. BABB. Not accepted. But, if I put some modification here, you can accept. Don't think in this way. Sir, if I put A here, BAB, not allowed. Why? Come on. Can I put A here? No. Why? Yesterday. Good. If I put something here, what is that? Last letter is B, but I need BAB, AB. So, I need AB here. If that is the AB, it should be Q3. And who is before AB? That is should be Q1. Okay. So, this string is accepted. Obviously, in this particular place will be Q1. So, with this our analysis is okay. I advise you to pause then and there and carefully rewind and check. Now, we will start the work. Q naught A will be Q naught, self loop. Q1 B will be Q1 only, self loop. Q2 A will be Q naught. So, I should go to Q naught. Q3 A will be Q2. Q3 A will be Q2. Done. Q3 B will be Q1. So, from here it should come to Q1. Done. So, this is the diagram. And then we have to go for machine equation. And we have to go for the table. Fill the table as you know. And we can conclude this particular work. So, it is NC with BAB. So, with this analysis, this is the ending point of double circle. Let us see this particular problem. In 2 minutes, we can complete this. Design DFA which accepts strings of A's and B's that does not NC with BAB. What is the previous problem? NC with BAB. Now it is does not NC with BAB, which means whatever accepted in the previous problem, now I should reject. Whatever rejected by the previous problem, now I should accept. Now recall the same problem. Previously it was BAB, now it does not NC with BAB. Okay, I will make the same problem, but I should negate the state. What do you mean by that? Whatever previous I should do negate, which means this is the previous problem. In the previous problem it is accepted, now it is reject. These three are reject, now it should accept, which means double circle should become single circle should become double circle. That's all I did. So, this is does not NC with BAB. So, the transition table, everything we can finish since there are three double circles. So, Q0, Q1, Q2 all become star. Starting is Q0. Okay, that's what we used to always say. F is nothing but set of accepted final states. Let us see another problem. Design DFA which accepts strings of zeros and ones that has consecutive 3 ones. You should not have any breaking. 1, 1, 1 compulsory. Can you recall our first problem was 1, 1. That is red alert problem, rain. 1, 1. Now it is 3 ones. starting can be 0, ending can be 0, starting can be 0 also, 1 also, ending can be 0 also, 1 also, but I need consecutive 3 ones. Recall. What is that minimum requirement? 3 ones. I need only 3 ones. I made it here. I made it 3 ones, 3 ones, anywhere 3 ones. Okay, 4 ones also doesn't matter. That's what the meaning. Now, if it is 3 letter, 4 states, 2 letter, 3 states. So, I made the diagram. 3 ones, 4 states. Completed. Now, step 2. Identify other transitions. Q0, 1 is available, 0 I need. Q1, 1 is available, 0 I need. Q2, 1 is available, 0 I need. Q3, both are not available, 0 and 1 I need. This we will enter into the requirement. Minimum diagram I made. Minimum requirement consecutive 3 ones. All the questions are ready. Careful. Q0, 0, what happened? It is nothing but dotted line. Who is before Q0? Nothing is there. Who is after Q0? 1, 1, 1. Done. Now total read 0, 1, 1. 1, 1 is there. Accepted. Who is 1, 1 next? Q3. Who is before 1, 1? Q0. Because this 1, 1. Who is next? Q3. Who is before Q0? So obviously it should be Q0. Now here answer will be Q0. That's all. Q1, 0, what happened? Q1, 0, what happened? Who is before Q1? Who is after Q1? Who is before Q1? 1. Before that, Q0. Who is after Q1? 1, 1. After that, it should be Q3. But have a whole string 1, 0, 1, 1. Not accepted. Why? There are only 2 ones. I need 3 ones. Okay, sir. Can you modify? Let us try. Put 2 ones here. 1, 1. So that 3 ones will come. Can I go ahead? No. Why? Yes. Good. It is yesterday. I can only put tomorrow, If I put 1 here, it will work out. That always should be next one. So I made it 1. If I put that 1, it will accept it. This 111 is this 111. Next is Q3. Before is Q0. So obviously it should be Q0. This should be Q0. And obviously the answer should be Q0. Next. Q2, 0. What happened? Who is before Q2? Double ones. Before that Q0. Who is after Q2? 1. After that Q3. I hope you know. I need 2 more ones here to satisfy. And what should be the here? Q3 before should be Q0. And what should be the answer here? Q0. Q3. Next, let us continue. Q3, 0. What happened? Who is before Q3? 111. Before that it should be Q0. Who is after Q3? Nothing is there. Now, 111, 0. Accepted. Why? 111 is there, accepted. Then go to accepted state. What is accepted state? Double circle Q3. That's all. So what should be the answer here? Q3. Now what is next? Last one. Q3, 1. What happened? Who is before Q3? 111. Before that Q0. Who is after Q3? Nothing is there. 4 ones 100% accepted. So what is the accepted state? Q3. So the answer should be Q3. With this, we can continue the diagram. Q0, 0 will be Q0. 0 will be Q0. Q1, 0 will be Q0. Q2, 0 will be Q0 only. Q3, 0 will be Q3, self loop. 1 also Q3. Okay, this is what the story behind our work. Machine equations, ready. Transition functions, you can just fill it. Starting point is Q0, ending point is Q3. Go ahead. Q0, 0 is Q0, ready. Q0, 1 is Q1, ready. Like that we can continue. Let us see the last problem for this particular video. Design a DFA which accepts strings of zeros and ones such that 1, a string 1. What is that we understood? 1, W can be anything. ending is 1, which means starting must be 1, ending must be 1. Conditions. Starting must be 1, ending must be 1. In between, anything is allowed and it should belongs to either 0 or 1. Anything is allowed. Any number of times is also allowed. 0 also allowed, 1 also allowed, any number of zeros allowed, any number of ones allowed, anything is allowed. What is the minimum requirement you should know? W is nothing but string such that epsilon is nothing but belongs to. The minimum requirement is 1 string 1, starting 1, ending 1. Starting 1, ending 1, in between anything. Starting 1, ending 1, in between anything. Starting 1, ending 1, in between anything. Now, I need 1, 1, in between anything. So, minimum requirement is 2 ones, 1, 1. And there should be 3 states. Now, let us identify the transition. Q0, 0, I don't know. Q1, 0, I don't know. Q2, 0 also, 1 also, I don't know. Let us start the question. Q0, 0, what happened? Who is before Q0? Nothing. Who is after Q0? 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. Now, overall, tell me the story, whether it is accepted or not. Starting should be 1, ending should be 1. And obviously, after this 1, 1, it is Q2. Okay. Now, the whole string 0, 1, 1 not allowed. Why? Ending 1 is accepted. Starting 1 is not there. No problem, sir. Put 1, 1 here. Accepted, you know. No. Yes, you are right. Because it is, come on, yesterday. This is tomorrow. You can't do modify here. So, obviously, it goes to dead state. If you can modify, it's well and good. Tomorrow means you can modify. Yesterday, we cannot modify. Past, you can't do. Q1, 0, what happened? Dead state is okay. Q1, 0, what happened? Who is before Q1? 1. Before that, Q0. Who is after Q1? 1. After that, it is Q2. Next, the whole string 1, 0, 1. Starting 1 accepted, ending 1 accepted. So, it is accepted. This 1 should be the last one. Next is Q2 available. Previous is 1. It should be Q1. So, obviously, the answer here also it will be Q1. Next stage. Q1. Q2, 0, what happened? Who is before Q2? 1, 1. Before that it should be Q0. Who is after Q2? Nothing is there. Now the whole string is not accepted. Reason 1, 1, 0 is not allowed. Starting 1 accepted, ending 1 is not there. Can I put 1 here? Yes. Sir, why you are not putting 1 here? It is yesterday. Why you are putting 1 here? It is tomorrow. Accepted. For this last one Q2, before that it should be Q1. So, what should be the answer? Q1. The answer is Q1. Q2, 1, what happened? Who is before Q2? 1, 1. Who is after Q2? Nothing is there. Is the whole string accepted? Accepted. If it is accepted because starting 1, ending 1, accepted means last should be Q2. The final state is Q2. Answer is Q2. So, all answers are ready. Now, we can start the diagram. Q0, 0 should go to dead state. Q1, 0 should go to Q1, that is self loop. Q2, 0 is going to Q1, obviously it will go to Q1. Q2, 1 is going to Q2, self loop. And all the diagram is over as per the requirement, but still dead state 0, 1 is obviously dead state only. The diagram is ready, machine equation is ready, transition table you can fill, and that's all the conclusion. So, when compared to the previous video, I hope you might have felt some improvement in your analyzing the problem. We will do some more problem in the next video. Thank you for watching this particular video.